Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I decided to show you how to mix your Halfcast lotion at home to prevent you getting green veins, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and various skin disorders. So watch this video to the end. So I'll start by introducing my base cream to you, and this is my base cream, and it's formulated in Thailand, and this cream is very good. You can use it alone, but because I want it to be very effective, that's why I'm going to pro mix it. So if you are interested in this video, just watch it to the end. So I'm going to use 250 ml of this base cream, and I'll transfer it to my mixing cup. So let me measure. I just spray. I get the 250 ml because I've already used the base cream. When choosing base cream, you can decide to choose any base cream of your choice, but make sure it's very thick and make sure it's original. As you know, we now have more fake cosmetics in town, so just make sure you are buying the original base cream. So I'll transfer my cream into the cup. If you see how I struggled before getting this 250 ml, you will just subscribe to my channel in return of this hassle, because I'm making this for you guys. So when formulating your lotions, make sure to add the tubes first before you add the other ingredients. So I'm going to add my Kojic Clear Action Cream, and this one is 7 days action cream. So I'm going to add the whole tube to my base cream. This tube is very effective and is very nice. You can even use it in your face cream, and I have a video of that on my channel, and you can check the link in my description box to watch that video. So I'm adding the whole thing in the tube to my base cream. Make sure to mix your base cream and tube. If you are using tubes too, make sure you mix it very well before you add the other agents. Next, I'll add my Filipino shirts. So I'm going to mix it in here before I add it to the base cream, and I'm measuring 1 tablespoon of the solution in here. And 1 tablespoon of the powder. Oh, ignore my mess on my table, okay? So I'm mixing it. And add it to my base cream. So avoid lumps in your lotion Keep on mixing it with every ingredient you add up. So with every ingredient, I'll mix it before I continue. I think I have some of the Filipino in here. Next, I'll add my half-cast oil. This oil makes your skin flexible, reduces premature aging, it makes your skin bright and gives you uniform complexion. It also whitens and exfoliates your skin as well. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of the half-cast oil. Just 1 tablespoon. And I'll mix. I'm not done yet too, but see how yummy this lotion is looking. Next, I'll add my neem oil. This oil is anti-reaction oil. It also clears dark spots, reduces acne and eczema, and is very good for itchy, dry skin too. So I'll add 1 tablespoon. Since I'm not making much of this lotion, I'll add 1 tablespoon of the neem oil. Next, I'll add my Nature Secret argan oil. This oil fades discoloration, clears sunburns and wrinkles. Sorry, my ring light is giving me tough time here. Let me fix it and continue. This oil smooths your skin and is 100% organic, no chemical additives. So I'll add 1 tablespoon. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the Nature Secret argan oil, and I'll mix after. And now I'll dilute my lotion with glycerin and rose water. This water heals various skin disorders, helps to balance and keep your skin well nourished. It also moisturizes your skin and protects your skin from getting cracked. So I'll add just 1 tablespoon of this rose water and glycerin to my lotion to dilute it. Let me add just 1 and see if I'll need more of the rose water. Remember, I'm making body lotion and not body cream, so I don't want it to be too thick. That's why I'm adding the rose water. See the consistency? I think I need another 1 tablespoon of the rose water, so I'll add it here. Let me even add 2 and say something. Okay, so I've added 2, making 3 rose waters to my lotion. And yes, I think I'm okay with the consistency now. So it depends on how you want it. If you want to make a cream instead of the lotion, then there's no need for you to add the rose water. But because of its benefits, you can add maybe half tablespoon and it will be perfectly good on your skin as well. Okay, so this is the end of my tutorials, and I bet you will love your skin after using this pro mixing. So if you really like this video, please give this video a like. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to comment. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And to those of you who may ask of where to get the ingredients, please, it's simple. You can get all these ingredients at the organic shop. So please, if you have any questions regarding this video, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to answer your questions. So we'll meet next time. Bye.